Are you using your oven wrong? You probably know the classic fan oven symbol, good for most types of cooking, especially when you use more than one shelf. In this case, heat only comes from the bottom, good for gently cooking stews and casseroles and crisping up the base of a pizza or pastry. Here, heat comes from the top and bottom, good for single shelf cooking of pastries or scones, or something substantial like a large cake. It also works well for roasting meat. This is the grill. Some should be used with the door open, others closed, so always check your oven's manual. Place your food close to the grill but with a little space in between so it's not touching. The grill is great for anything that sizzles, like sausages and bacon, also handy for browning off meat or the top of a lasagna. You can also grill with the fan on, which spreads the grill's heat, good for cooking through thicker pieces of meat or fish without heating the whole oven or burning the top. This is grill with the lower heating element and is a good option for pies, tarts or pizzas that need a crispy base and a brown top. And this is for the half grill setting. Only one section of the grill element gets hot, so make sure your food is directly under this part. Now, to find out more about the ovens we recommend, a Which membership will give you access to all of our lab test results. And if you sign up for one of our newsletters now, you'll get an introductory offer for a full Which subscription.